President William Ruto ogete ati kibiri kia morito mari maragomeire a Kenya mwaka wa 2022 magi thirikari ya Kenya kwanza itingira abotire kumethera kibonia thengia wa a Kenya gukorwo na mwiboko munene nayo akiaria bidi ya kubeana ndomiriri ya mwaka mweru ari kaunti-ini ya Mombasa. Ruto ogete undu ta kugwithio kwa thogora wa mutu na bataraitha ni undu ongiracongeririe thirikari koro ni mabilioni ma mbeca.
And the decisions about some subsidies in unga, subsidies in fuel, subsidies in electricity that were not informed by the science of our economy, but were informed by the expediency of the political moment that existed at that time.
Ruto ogete urito wa murimu wa COVID-19 onaguo ni uracokirie gicunje kinene kia Kenya na thutha kuona ona gukinyira muthiini wa mwaka kuri na onjoria matarabotete kwiyukiriria undu uria uratumire thirikari ya Kenya kwanza gukana mpango wa Hustlers Fund.
Na ndio sababu tayari tumeweka Hustler Fund ambayo kufikia leo Wakenya wamekopa zaidi ya bilioni 20 kuendesha biashara zao pale chini. Na hiyo fund tutaiongezea kila mwezi mpaka tuhakikisha kwamba yule Mkenya amekopa shilingi 500 ataweza kukopa shilingi 50,000 tukiendelea mbele. Ona gukirio gwa Ruto ogete mwaka-ini ucio kuri na maundu mega marekikire ta Kenya gwitikira kumuthura aleta president bamwe na atongoria angi kithurano-ini kibituku. Na wauliza ndugu zetu walio katika bunge, mtoe mchango wenu katika bunge. Wale walio katika Senate wafanye na hivyo. Magovernors wenzangu ambao wanafanya kazi kama governors wafanye sehemu yao, na sisi kama serikali ya kitaifa tutashirikiana pamoja na wote tuhakikishe kwamba tunawaunganisha wa Kenya. Ibida-ini riu president oretie a Kenya mathina mbere na kioneki kia ubadi wa miti uria uguteithiriria bari ucenjia wa riera uria kuratwika uranyitire itemi inene kwibiriria ng'aragu iria iragomeire county 23. We are living the nightmare of drought that we have never seen in 40 years. We have lost 2.5 million livestock. We have lost even wildlife. As Pastor here said, innocent creatures that have committed no wrong, but because of the activities of humankind, we have a drought situation that is hurting every aspect of our life. Ndomereri ya president ya mwaka wa 2023 itwaranite na a Kenya aige aria mareboka ati mwaka uyu ni ugukorwo na mogaruruku. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Jetago Masi, Wadia wa Mureithi.